Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to class 6. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start unit 1, which is the poem It's Up to You. This means it depends upon you how you get advantage of a small thing. This is a very beautiful poem. Although nothing much is known about the poem has a message of positive thinking. The main idea of the poem is that nothing is small or unimportant. Many things which seem small can lead to big achievements. Now I am going to read first stanza. One song can spark a moment, one flower can wake the dream, one tree can start a forest, one bird can herald spring. This means if you are sad or depressed or feeling down, if you listen to one song you like, your mood changes and you become happy. One flower can bring hope. A flower blooms only when winter's gone and spring arrives. Only one tree can be grown to start a whole forest. Last line means the chirping of one bird can announce that spring season has started. Okay, next. One smile begins a friendship, one hand clasp lifts a soul, one star can guide a ship at sea, one word can frame the goal. This means a kind smile can help to make new friends. One smile can start a friendship. A smile is a way to convey our emotion to someone without words. One handshake can lift a soul. Hand clasp means a handshake. One handshake can encourage someone who is feeling down. In the next line, the author means there are thousands and millions of stars in the sky, so we don't pay attention to one star. But in old times, sailors used a single star to lead the ship to correct way. Similarly, one word can frame the goal. Okay, one vote can change a nation. One sunbeam lights a room. One candle wipes out darkness, and one laugh will conquer gloom. This means often people think their vote does not matter. But those single votes, when combined together, can make huge differences. Even it can change a nation. One sun ray can lighten a dark room. Similarly, one small candle can remove the darkness when someone is depressed or in a gloom. Only seeing one laugh of a loved one can cheer him up. Okay, one step must start each journey. One word must start each prayer. One hope will raise our spirit. One touch can show you care. There is a quote, "A thousand smiles journey starts with a single step." For a whole journey to start, we should take the first step. We cannot reach our destination without taking the first step. So it means to achieve a goal, we have to start. Similarly, a whole prayer starts with one word. If we are sad, one word of hope from our friends or someone can encourage and motivate us not to give up, and thus can raise our spirit. Similarly, one touch or a pat on shoulder from our father or embrace from our mother, it can show us care. Okay, last stanza. One voice can speak with wisdom. One heart can know what's true. One life can make the differences. You see, it's up to you. It means if no one is speaking the right thing, only one voice can speak the words of wisdom and can make big differences. Only one heart can know what's true. For example, witnesses for some cases. There can be only one heart to know the truth that can make the huge difference. One life can make the difference. Okay, next line means one person with potential and belief in himself can change the world. No matter how small his effort is, if his intentions are pure and efforts are sincere, he can change the world. In the end, how we can think of various things, whether we consider them nothing or whether we think of them positively and consider what impact their small role can have, it is all upon us. Man's life is what's thought make it. Okay, now A, choose the correct answer. Okay, first dash is needed to start a forest. Options are one tree, some trees, a large number of trees, and the correct option is A, one tree. Second, one bird can make the arrival of dash. Options are summer, autumn, spring, and the true option is spring, that is C. Third, what can help us to win new and true friends? Options are costly gifts, high status, and a kind smile. And the true option is C, a kind smile. Number 4, a dash can frame our goals. Options are a lot of vocabulary, B, knowledge of grammar, and a single word. And the correct option is C, a single word. Number 5, what can change the destiny of a nation? A, leaders, wealth, a vote. And the true option is C, a vote. Number 6, what does one need to dispel sorrows of others? Options are prayers, one laugh, many companions. And the true option is B, one laugh. Number 6, a flower has a power to kindle dreams. Options are a flower, a friend, layer time, and true option is A, a flower. Okay, now go on to the next exercise, that is meanings of the given words. First word is herald. Herald means announce. Next word is gloom. Gloom means sadness. Third word is wisdom. Wisdom means being wise. Fourth word is layer. Layer means free time. Next word is hand clasp. Hand clasp means hold hands of someone. Next word is sunbeam. Sunbeam means a stream of light from sun. Next word is journey. Journey means traveling.